Well, I'm sick of working today. I want to come out and enjoy the weather. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's gonna be what, 13 degrees out here. Almost no breeze. It's mid-fall, you know, so a little chilly when you get going 30 or 40 in the quad, but it's nice when you're sitting here. So I'm gonna pull out this 3490. We got some blocks that we used a 06 and an 08 machine on, and so I didn't actually bring the two-way wedge because I shouldn't really need it. All of these blocks have been pre-split into 50, 60, 70 pound chunks, and so we're going to split it down to firewood size. I'm just going to enjoy myself and casually get some wood split. Well, it's a sweet little pile for 40 minutes of splitting. You know, some of the stuff is real easy, but some of it's pretty gnarly. I'm sure you guys have seen, or in some of my videos I'm moving a little slower. I had some knee surgery, so I promised myself I would never get old, but all of a sudden life catches up to you. So that's where stuff like, and I got a sore shoulder too, that's where stuff like the lift is like, you know, you might have to pay a little more for it initially, but it's such a time saver and a body saver too, because you're not picking up that wood near as much as you otherwise would be. So anyways, I'm gonna go put the splitter away, grab my trailer, probably stack some of it, and you know, this being a high flow machine, you don't need a high flow machine if you're doing firewood like this. You can, the 3465 for the most part is really good. If you're in production, the high flow machine is super handy. So, you know, if you have more questions about any of the options we have, or any of the models, whether it's for skid steer, tractors, all your good stuff, give us a call at the office, because we're always more than happy to help people. And remember, you can see more details at split-fire.com.